in the FAA documentation manuals, they talk about the modeling of airplanes that they use a flat, non-rotating plane. We found many documents, CIA documents, NASA documents, and they say all of their modeling is done over a flat, non-rotating plane. Plus, airplanes fly over an airplane, not air globe. "16 documented emergency landings that are absurd on a ball and make perfect sense on a flat Earth." They make perfect sense. This book is free on the internet. You can look it up, get the PDF, or I recommend going to lulu.com. It's an awesome coffee table book. 16 emergency landings proving flat Earth.
So we're talking to Dave Weiss, Flat Earth Dave, and he is attempting to bring me over to the dark side.